At Agency Performance Partners, we're obsessed with one thing: helping your insurance agency crush chaos and unlock your growth. With 6 tailored paths to partner with us, there's a perfect fit for every team size, timeline, and ambition. First, we have our do-it-yourself program, our agency school. Access the exact same recorded video training we use with our top consulting and live training clients. All the proven strategies, tools, and resources on demand at your own pace for a fraction of the investment. Second, if you need training for just a few team members, consider our live virtual training. Need to sharpen just a handful of stars? Enroll them in our live virtual group training, where there'll be around 15 other like-minded individuals, all with a live virtual trainer. There's real-time coaching, peer accountability, and measurable skills gains, all from the convenience of anywhere. If you're an agency with under 10 team members, think about our Emerging Agency program, a focused one-year roadmap designed for small teams ready to build rock-solid processes, eliminate inefficiencies, and scale with confidence. But if your agency is up to 20 team members, our one-year agency assessment is for you. We dive deep into your operations, pinpoint hidden bottlenecks, and implement targeted fixes that deliver fast and sustainable wins. You get a coach, a client concierge, and a reporting specialist that work together to get your agency on track for unlimited success. Fifth, if your agency is over 20 team members, we have our 2-year program. This is a comprehensive hands-on partnership where we're on site every 90 days to install our sales, retention, and efficiency services. This will help drive alignment, performance, and long-term team dominance. Last but not least, we have our enterprise-level solutions. These are for agencies that refuse to settle for off-the-shelf, have unique objectives or goals, and we craft fully custom elite programs tailored exclusively to your team's goals, cultures, and challenges. 6 powerful options, 1 unstoppable outcome, an agency that runs like a machine, sells like a dream, and leads the market. Head on over and check out which program's right for you. Your perfect path starts here.